In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Google Sheets, customize your date style, and make your spreadsheets look just the way you want them. We'll explore 3 different methods so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. First things first, you want to start by opening your Google Sheet. Once you have it open, let's focus on the first method. For this option, we're going to use the default date format. Begin by highlighting the range of cells where you want to apply the date format. Let's say you select from C3 to C12. It's an easy selection. Now head over to the top menu and click on the Format tab. A drop-down menu will appear, navigate to Number, and from there, select Date. This option converts the selected range into a standardized date format. Feel free to take a breather and visualize how clean and organized those dates look now. Making sure your data is neatly formatted can help streamline analysis and reports down the line. Now, let's spice things up with a bit of customization. We're going to use custom date and time formats for our second method. Just like before, start by selecting your range of interest, but this time let's go with E3 to E12. Once selected, click on Format in the top menu, just like earlier. This time, instead of going straight to Date, select Custom Date and Time from the drop-down menu. You'll see a list of available formats appear, and this is the fun part. Choose a date format that suits your needs best. Maybe a short format, maybe something more detailed with month names, or even the day of the week. Once you've settled on your format, hit Apply. This lets your spreadsheet stand out with dates displayed exactly as you prefer them, providing clarity and visual appeal. Finally, let's look at the third option, using the query function for more advanced date manipulation. This can be particularly useful for transforming your dates within formulas or when pulling data that meets specific conditions. Start by clicking on cell G3, and you'll want to type in your query formula. This involves selecting your data range and applying the formatting you desire through SQL-like query language. Think of query as a powerful tool in your spreadsheet arsenal, unlocking more customized views and data manipulation capabilities. Once you've input your formula, hit that Enter key and watch your data dynamically reshape itself right before your eyes. And there you have it, 3 comprehensive methods to change and customize date formats in Google Sheets. By mastering these, you'll not only impress with your spreadsheet savvy, but ensure your data is both functional and visually appealing. Thanks for sticking through, and happy spreadsheeting.